Hey, it's Seth, and I am super stoked and excited to be sharing this video with you because for over a year and a half, I've been doing something. A lot of people have been asking me to make a membership site. So, for over a year and a half, I've been working on it. There are a lot of moving pieces, there are a lot of complicated issues to figure out in order to bring something that I'm proud of that will do the job. So, this summer I will announce it. If you already know you love what I'm doing, go ahead and sign up below, and you don't have to think about anything else. And I'll announce you will be on the list, and I'll announce it to you. Sorry, my brain is getting loopy. It's been a long day. But basically, one of the main problems that I have is when I'm doing public talks or in my courses or in my vlogs, I have three main audiences: parents, teachers, and students. And if I make a membership for parents that doesn't talk to the students, well, the biggest problem parents talk to me about is that they can't get buy-in from their kid and their kid doesn't want to listen to them. But when they hear me say it, they'll listen. So part of but another problem is that there are certain things I don't want students to hear. So I hold back on my videos. I do not cuss on my videos. I do not talk about suicide. I don't talk about drugs. I don't talk about vaping. I don't talk about a lot of things that I would love to be talking about because for some students it's inappropriate. However, in the membership, in the parent section, I can be me, raw. The liberal Seth who comes out, I cuss, and I can talk about these issues. I can talk to experts about these issues, and I can give you 100% of me, raw, unfiltered, and give you real, deep, concrete insights into all sorts of situations. But in the student portal, in the student membership section, all I'm doing is talking directly to them. So I'm helping get buy-in on the things so that you can work with your kid and you're not the one telling them. Parents so often will say to me, Seth, I like to show my kid your videos because then I'm not the one telling them that. Or I've been telling them this for years and they won't listen to me and they finally watch your video on that and it reinforced what I'm trying to teach them. So in this membership, this is for like-minded, open-minded people. Three aspects to these people, to you parents who will be in this membership. This is not for everybody. Number one, this is for compassionate, empathetic, understanding parents. I'm not saying perfect parents. We all get angry and all this stuff. But if you are a heart-centered parent and you're coming from a place where you really have a curiosity about your child, you're really trying to understand your child, you're trying not to be judgmental, you want to get them, this is for you. If you're a growth oriented person, you want to ask the hard questions. You don't want to hide your head in the sand. You're someone who really pushes yourself to be the best human being that you can be. And I have been on a growth path for over 25 years now where I work very hard on my deep inner work. I do the work on me. If you're that type of parent that does the work on you, then this is for you. And finally, number three, this is for proactive parents. Parents who don't want to wait until everything falls apart and gets really bad before they finally start taking action. But this is for parents who want to say, what are all the things that I can do to know that I'm on the right track and that I'm doing everything I can for my child? So this membership is for like-minded people who are compassionate, growth-oriented, and proactive. And each month there'll be there are 4 weeks in a month, and each month there'll be 4 bite-sized themed experiences where I'm going to introduce 4 little things so that you can digest all this. I know I make a lot of content, but I'm going to have very specific targeted things, which I don't do on the vlog all the time. I mean, every week on the vlog, I make a video that is helpful, but I don't make PDFs with everything. You know, I don't have time to go super in depth on everything on these videos. But in the membership, for people who are committed, for people who want to be there, for people who are growth oriented, for this type of person, then I can justify being like, okay, let's make an awesome micro course on this and that. And there will be a separate student section so the students can access their own portal where it doesn't have the heavy topics. It's only student directed. And there'll be a library where you can access everything that will be uber, super duper organized. When I announce it this summer, I will have a behind the scenes so that you can see exactly what it's like. I am super proud of it. I've been working on it for a long time. So if you love what I do and you want connection with other like-minded families. You want some accountability. You want to be pushed. You want to ask the deep, hard questions. You want to move forward with your family proactively. You want very clear, bite-sized, actionable lessons that will help bring your family closer, help build healthier relationships, help your child with executive function, of course, with social issues, emotional issues, communication, confidence, decision making, all the things. Then go ahead and sign up for the wait list. And this summer of what year is it? 2020, this wacky time, I will be sending you the update, and we'll go ahead and get started. Take care. Be well.